we did our job as state security. We collected information, we analyzed it, we packaged it for the client, and as I repeat, as you adequately reflect on what was said before, we gave it to the client. You would have listened to Minister Pele on the fact that intelligence was driving operations.
The law enforcement officers have used this intelligence information in responding with speed to the issues on the ground and attending to areas which have been identified as potential hotspot areas.
We did not get the information was the fact that people were going to go into the malls and loot and do all of the things which happened at the malls. We did not have that information.
They just want to spread instability in the country, and we don't know what their full and true intentions are. But the democratic state is what our people are defending, as well as their assets. So, yes, we have said that we could have acted quicker, but they are now joining hands with us.
We have warned President Cyril Ramaphosa many a times that he must fire the Minister of Intelligence and the Minister of Police, but he did not want to listen.
The report has reached the correct conclusion that the riots must be squarely blamed at the incompetence of Ramaphosa's government and its security institutions, whilst noting the worsening socio-economic conditions of our people as a fertile ground for the mobilization that took place following the arrest of Jacob Zuma. The report insists that the executive must take responsibility for its lapse of leadership.
The report also is not telling us about the root cause of the problem, the root cause of the unrest. It also tells us about how the situation was responded to, which gives us worries as a party that we might find similar occurrences in the future.
The report confirms, I believe, what most South Africans already knew, that South African police services and our state security agency were negligent in their responsibility to safeguard and to protect businesses and lives within the country.